I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm a ticking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill.
My heart is on the pavement, pavement. Yeah. Why would you just break it? You just break it. Said that I'm the one that you can live without, live without. But look at you, you living, you just living. Said my heart is on the pavement.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is in collaboration with RPGSHOW wigs. Shout out to them for sending me over this beautiful ash blonde wig. Guys, this wig is completely glueless. I didn't use not a lick of glue, adhesive, or anything to install this wig. This is by far one of the easiest wigs that I've done on my channel so far. So if you're interested in learning all about this wig and how you can get your hands on one, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so this is the box that my wig came in. The wig they sent me is their Dominic 029 wig on the site. This beautiful ash blonde colored wig with dark brown roots. The length of this wig is 20 inches and it comes with a tinted transparent Swiss lace. The lace also comes pre-plucked and pre-bleached for you. And also guys, they changed the shape of the front of their lace to better fit our foreheads for a more seamless glueless install, and they call this method, this new cap construction, the Glueless Fit 2.0. Along with my wig, I also received a wax stick, a thank you card, the brand's magazine, some edge tape and an edge band, and a wig storage bag that I can use to store my wig in when I'm not wearing it. So let's go ahead and get started. I am still wearing this bun, y'all. Don't judge me, but my edges are a little crusty right now, so I'm going in with my gummy edge control and I'm just slicking back the front of my edges a little bit, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and try my wig on right out of the box. So first impression, the wig fits really nicely on my head and I absolutely love the color of this wig. I will say you can tell that they custom colored the wig because the texture of the hair, it does feel good, but it has like that kind of gritty feel that custom colored hair does have sometimes. So I will go back after this install and deep condition the hair one more time. But as you can see here, I'm just going ahead and cutting off that lace. And y'all, look at how this wig fits. I cannot make this up. Like, I didn't put any glue on or anything, and it fits really nicely. I want to show you guys just how good it's gonna look, and I'm not using any glue at all. So first thing first, the top of this hair needs to be flattened out. I'm gonna take my wax stick, the same one I always use, and just go ahead and press down the top of that hair.
When I'm sitting there alone all by myself, it's different when I think you might be with somebody.
I'm going to take my curling iron next and just press down the top of the hair where I put the wax at. I want it to be nice and flat. Now that that's pretty flat, I'm gonna go ahead and curl my hair with my curling iron. I'm just gonna take pretty big sections because I do want it to be like a loose curl type of thing going on. I don't want it to be like too tight. So we're taking big sections and just doing curls away from the face.
I know it was inside me. They recognize you. Please don't deny me.
So now that I'm done curling my entire head with these cute loose curls, I'm just gonna go ahead and run my fingers through the curls. I don't want them to be super tight. I want them to be a little loose. This looks so pretty, y'all. This is definitely not a color I would typically just like go for. Y'all know I try out so many different colors, but to wear on a regular, this is probably not like a color I would normally pick out for myself, but I think it looks really, really pretty. We're not done yet, guys. Like I said, the hair is completely glueless. I did not glue it down, but I do want to add some holding spray to my curls, and I also want to get the top of that wig just a tad bit flatter. And it was that simple. Like I showed you, this wig is completely glueless. There is no glue on this wig whatsoever. The color is super bomb, perfect for the fall. And yes, guys, if you're interested in purchasing this wig, all the details to RPGSHOW's wig website will be down below in my description box. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Leave me some feedback down below in my comment section, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
My heart is on the pavement, pavement. Why would you just break it? You just break it. Said that I'm the one that you can live without, live without. But look at you, you living, you just living. Said my heart is on the pavement.